Hi math lovers! Many will get wrong answer in this expression because we are dealing with negative numbers. Now I'll explain you how to solve this correctly. So it says evaluate 4 times negative x inside the parenthesis plus x minus another negative x inside the parenthesis plus 8 if x equals to negative 3. We have to plug all these x's negative 3 instead, and let's see what we will get. So we have 4 times negative, and x is negative 3. This is very important to understand this part. If this negative sign is here, you have to count this separately. You don't count it as negative 3 instead. So next one is plus x. So in this case, we have negative 3 minus parenthesis minus, instead of x, we are writing negative 3, same as here. Then plus 8 equals to, let's see what it is equal to. Now, in order of operations, we have to do parentheses first. Let's start from the first one. We have here negative sign in front and then parenthesis negative. This is the most confusing part. Students are confusing. If there is nothing in front of this parenthesis, this means this is 1. So it's negative 1 times negative 3, actually. You can go to my videos, my shorts. I have many examples explaining negative signs, addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So if we have same signs multiplied together, answer is positive. Either it's negative both or positive both. In this case, this will be plus 3. If we have different signs, negative and positive, then it can be negative. Always remember, same signs are positive. So in this whole first part, we will have 4 times 3, which is positive 3. Then let's go next one, this one. We have plus parenthesis minus, right? In this case, the answer will be minus, because as I told you, imagine this is 1 in front. If there is nothing, that means 1 times. Positive 1 times negative 3. Now, if one sign is negative, one is positive, always answer will be negative. Only we will have positive if we have same signs. So in this case, we will have negative 3, minus 3 here. Now this one, we have this minus sign in front of it. We will leave this first. Then we will deal with this parenthesis one. Again, this is as the first example here. We have negative, parenthesis, negative. This becomes positive. You can make a clue like negative, this parenthesis sign, and negative, you can make this as plus sign. This will be positive 3, but we have negative out of the second parenthesis, so this negative remains here. Negative and then positive 3. Then plus 8 equals to. Now we have 4 times 3 minus 3 plus 8 equals to. In order of operations, we have to do multiplication first. 4 times 3 equals to 12. Then minus 3 plus 8 equals to. If we have only subtraction and addition, we can go from left to right in order, step by step, and solve the problem doing with operations. 12 minus 3 equals to 9. Minus 3 plus 8. equals, now again from left to right, 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 8 equals to 6 plus 8 equals 14. So the solution is 14. We evaluated this expression when x was negative 3. We will get different answer if x will be different number, let's say 5 or 4, any number you can put instead of x and get different answer. So this is the way we evaluate the expression if we have the value of x which was negative 3. I hope you understand, and if you are having hard time again with negative numbers adding subtracting, you can go back to my videos or shorts. There are many fun examples. Understandable, you can see how to add and subtract negative numbers. Thank you for following. Please write your comments, share and subscribe.